Welcome back, Remodelites. I'm Dave with Remodel Media, and I'm here. We're talking to Meredith from Smeg. Now, you may remember Smeg from such greatest hits as their Fab refrigerators and their Dolce & Gabbana collection that we covered several years ago. But this year, we've got two new product launches that we really want to talk to you about here. We've got dishwashers, and we're going to talk about some barbecue grills here in a minute. So, Meredith,
Yes.
take us away.
Thank you. Hi, guys. We're really excited. We've launched a new line of dishwashers. Pretty much we are going from the lowest featured, which is the DW 8610, 8620, and 8630. They basically all have the same functionalities. This 8630 is our feature heaviest. So I'll show you the features we have of this. So really quickly, we have a semi-professional handle with knurling. We also have the touch panel. This holds 16 place settings. This is a 15 and 15 place setting. One of the greatest features, I think, for this, it's a new addition on this model, is the dedicated carafe cleaner. You have something, I am a mother. I clean sports bottles all the time. So this is something that you have that has a dedicated jet that shoots vertically up right into whatever you have. So it can be a glass, it could be a vase, it could be a decanter, whatever needed.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So we are also one of the few manufacturers that actually have the capability to successfully clean your stemware on your bottom basket. So you can actually put your wine glasses on the bottom basket. So we have a middle basket. Anything that you see that is in the sage green has a functionality. So obviously these are placeholders for cups and whatnot. And then you have your third drawer, which can be used for utensils, which a lot of people use. You can also slide them over. They stack on each other. Or if you have something that's high, you can actually put it here and remove the basket or all the baskets completely. So this is running on a system called the planetary system, which, as you can see, it's an orbital system as well as an arm.
And so it looks like to me that not only is the arm spinning,
Yep.
but like the name suggests, it's also orbiting. So not only is the arm spinning, but it's moving, it's changing position.
Exactly.
So no more dead zones with your water.
Exactly correct. That's exactly correct. And you can see the entire cavity of the dishwasher is getting cleaned. There's water entirely through it. We also have turbidity sensors. Turbidity sensing is basically the level of soil on your material. So what they do is an auto cycle will go on. The auto cycle will detect, send light through whatever's through there and measure the refraction of the light. If there's no refraction, it means that you have a heavily soiled product. So it will run the cycle longer.
Which means we're not supposed to wash the dishes before we wash the dishes.
Exactly.
Scrape them off and put them in the dishwasher only.
Exactly. So there's no need to pre-wash. So you're literally, like you said, scraping off and placing in. It will detect the amount of soil and will adjust for water temperature. It will adjust for water amount and cycle time. So yeah, so that's we're really excited about this. It's also got a very low profile toe kick. So it sits lower than a lot of the other competitors, which people like for a seamless finish.
That's awesome. Now, just as a side note here, I did see these little guys.
Yes.
These are some kind of convection oven, or what is this?
This is called our countertop oven.
Okay.
Basically, I like to describe this as a major appliance in a small appliance package. So it is a steam oven, it is a convection oven, and it is also an air fryer. So you have your reservoir on top for your steam. You also have 33 preset stations for all different types of recipes. So you can adjust them to accordingly if you want, or you can just use them as an auto function.
Now, is this like a full service steamer, steaming vegetables, steaming fish, that kind of thing?
The whole nine. That's why I like to say it's the functionality of an actual oven, but in a countertop version.
Right.
So it comes with a perforated tray that can be used both for air frying and for steaming. And you have your drip tray underneath for your catchings.
That's awesome. Now, when did this guy come out? Because I don't remember him.
6 months ago. It was here at KBIS last
Okay.
year.
All right. All right. So
Coming out.
it's still relatively new for folks.
Yep.
Okay.
And it's doing very well. We're very happy with how it's turning out.
All right. Let's reposition and we'll talk about the grills. As I said before, everyone knows Smeg for like their Euro type of appliances. When I think of Smeg, I think of the Fab refrigerator. I think of smaller ovens, things that fit in compact spaces. I don't think of outdoor kitchen, but here we are.
That's what we want to hear. We are breaking out. So obviously we're an Italian company. In the US, we know that the market for grills and outdoor cooking is huge. So it was something we wanted to broach into. We saw the opportunity and we took it. So we wanted to we know that the trend is switching from propane, natural gas over to electric. So these are fully electric indoor, outdoor grills.
Indoor, outdoor.
Indoor, outdoor.
Because it's electric, there's no flame to worry about. You can turn it off at any point.
Exactly.
Nice.
Exactly.
Okay.
Marine grade stainless steel. So it can be used for coastal homes. So the solidity, and there will be no degradation of your steel.
All right. Now, what is the difference between these three models?
So,
I mean, their size, obviously.
Yep,
but
that's literally, so that's it. So this is 1,500 watts. You have the 36-inch, which is 3,000. So each heating element separately is 1,500.
So let me guess, 45?
You got it.
All right. Is this a 48-inch?
It's 46.
46-inch.
Yep. So we have one of the greatest features. I'll show you on the 24 because it's probably the easiest.
Okay.
Removable cast iron, black ceramic coated grills, grates, non-BPAS. Our heating element raises to 60 degrees in order to be able to pull out and clean your drip pan. So essentially, the inside of your grill will remain clean. We're really excited about this. We currently have it just available in the inlays, but hopefully we should be coming out with something, possibly maybe a cart solution. But this is what we have now, and it's a great inset.
And when are these launching?
I believe Q4 of 2025 or Q1 of 2026.
Okay, so we're still
waiting.
Still 10 months out or so.
Yes.
And then what about the dishwashers? Those dishwashers available today, or are those launching?
They are not. They're launching. I think probably mid-year with those as well.
Mid-year.
All right. That's what we're proposing.
And what is the MSRP going for on the dishwashers?
I believe it's $15.99, $17.99, and $19.99.
All right. And then what's the MSRP going approximately on these? Has that even been set yet?
It has not been set. These are too far out for us to do pricing.
So this is first look prototype right here.
Right here, ladies and gentlemen.
All right. Thank you, Meredith.
Thank you so much. Pleasure.
Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.